So everybody in machining knows what chatter is. We've all heard it. It's a terrible sound. People often use the term harmonics to talk about it. That's really what we're looking at. So the tooth hits the part at some frequency. The part wants to vibrate at some frequency. When you have chatter, this is bad. It makes the surface look bad. It affects the life of the tool. It can actually affect the life of the machine. And so it's a bad thing. So we do tap testing because it gives us a much more consistent process, higher performance process. It started out of efforts that were at the University of Florida, and it really is measuring the dynamics of the tool, the whole process, the whole system reflected at the tip of the tool. And it helps you find speeds and depths of cuts before even starting the part. We can know what the tool can do optimally, just by taking simple measurements where we tap the tool, measure the vibration response of the tool, and then we can map that into the RPM domain, figure out depths of cuts, feed rates, all sorts of things that affect how the tool cuts.